With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, today our problem is the product of the root of the equation whose roots are greater by unity than the equation. Our equation is x cubed minus 5x square plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. If assume alpha, beta, gamma are root of this equation, then we have to calculate that alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1 into gamma plus 1. Here given every roots greater by unity. Let's compute this. This comes out alpha plus beta plus 1 into gamma plus 1. If you multiply this comes alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus beta gamma plus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus 1, and here in our equation alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, here minus 5, and product of the root to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to 6, and product of 3 roots equal to alpha beta gamma equal to minus c, which is 3. Let's put this value here and compute this. Alpha beta gamma 3, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, which is 6, and alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is 5. This is minus b by a, this is minus plus 5 plus 1, that comes out 15. Here you can see second option is correct. This is our final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.